Okay, so Eric jammed our garbage disposal, so like always I had to come and bail him out. I got it fixed, but in the process of doing so I discovered there's a bunch of junk under our sink. Look at all this. We don't even know what half of this stuff is, and we definitely don't use it. So I'm gonna clean it out and reorganize it. 3S it, so to speak. That way it's much easier to figure out what we have, what we need. And when we're cleaning, there's no guessing what to grab. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I fixed the jam in the disposal. Beautiful, works perfectly. And I organized down in the cabinet, so now it's pretty empty. We only have our essentials. Also have this wrench for the garbage disposal, so I don't have to go running and looking for it every time this thing jams, because it probably will jam again. Got our trash bags over here. And then I also moved some laundry stuff up here by the laundry machines. So now they're within reach. Now we know what we actually have. And now we don't have to waste so much time wondering and looking for anything.